This is one of those PC components that instantly signals it's built for the upper tier of performance and aesthetics, not just basic functionality. We're looking at the ASUS ROG Ryuo 4 SLC 360 ARGB, a 360mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler that tries to balance serious thermal performance with a strong visual identity. Right from the first look, it's clear this cooler is designed to stand out. ASUS has leaned heavily into a premium, aggressive design language, clean industrial finishes, bold ROG styling, and full ARGB lighting that feels integrated rather than added as an afterthought. It's not just meant to sit in your PC case quietly. It's meant to be seen. This is really the philosophy behind it. It's not only a cooling solution, it's part of the build's personality. When it comes to installation, the experience is fairly straightforward if you've worked with 360mm AIOs before. There's still the reality of handling a large radiator and planning your case space, but ASUS has refined the mounting hardware to feel more organized and less frustrating than older generations. Once everything is in place, cable management is also relatively clean, especially for a component in this performance class. But the real focus here is performance. A 360mm AIO sits in the category of high-end CPU cooling, built for processors that generate significant heat under sustained workloads. Whether it's gaming, rendering, streaming, or heavy productivity tasks, this level of cooling is meant to keep temperature stable when things get demanding. In real-world use, the cooler performs exactly as expected from a premium 360mm setup. It maintains solid thermal control under prolonged load, keeping temperatures in check even during extended stress conditions. More importantly, it helps the CPU maintain consistent boost performance without quickly running into thermal limitations. What stands out most is not just peak performance, but stability over time. It holds thermal consistency during long sessions rather than just short bursts, which is what really matters in high-performance systems. Noise levels are also well managed. The fans do ramp up when the system is pushed, but during everyday use and moderate workloads, the cooler remains relatively restrained. For a 360mm setup, it strikes a good balance between cooling power and acoustic comfort. On the software and lighting side, the ARGB implementation is fully aligned with ASUS's ecosystem. If you already have ASUS motherboard or components, everything can sync together for a unified lighting setup. You can go for a subtle, clean look or a more aggressive RGB-heavy aesthetic depending on your build style. For users who prefer minimal lighting, the RGB can be toned down or disabled, but it's clearly designed with customization in mind. One important point is positioning. This is a premium-tier cooler, and you're not just paying for raw thermal performance. You're also paying for design refinement, ecosystem integration, and the overall polished experience that ASUS targets with its ROG lineup. So the decision comes down to priorities. If your main goal is maximum cooling performance per dollar, there are simpler 360mm AIOs that deliver very close results without the extra design and ecosystem features. But if you're building a high-end system where aesthetics, brand ecosystem, and strong thermal performance all matter together, this cooler fits into that premium category very well. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Ryuo 4 SLC 360 ARGB isn't trying to reinvent liquid cooling. It's refining it, delivering strong, consistent performance wrapped in a highly polished, visually striking package designed for modern enthusiast PC builds. If you're interested, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability.